Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Girlfriend is dressed. It was the VMAs yesterday. Nobody told me. But I was on top of it, and we are here with what? With Fumi's VA Red Carpet Fashion Police without a beat. We are going to go in with whom? Lizzo. Lizzo was wearing Jean-Paul Gaultier. She said, you want me covered up? I'll give you covered up, but I'll do it and make it Vogue. Loved it. I loved the wet hair. I loved the black lip. I loved how she gave us the drama on the red carpet. I lived for it. I saw this look on the Cannes red carpet. I loved it then. I love it now. Lizzo is fabulous. She's giving me fabulosity, and she's such a pretty girl. She was a winner on the red carpet for me, and she was a winner that night as well. I just thought it was gorgeous. I loved it. I loved the elegance. I loved the drama of it. She looked like she was stepping out of a movie. Was it grandiose? Was it huge? Was it big? That's the point. That was the point. Yeah. And I lived for it. She looked gorgeous to me. Some of you might be saying, Fumi, what are you wearing? We love and live the look. I dressed up for the occasion. This is an old Chanel belt that I just thought, you know what, we do need some drama up in here. And I'm doing black. And when I wear black, I like to color it up a little bit because I'm a dark girl, so I want it to really pop off. Smoky eye, nude lip. We have a bun, and then we have this beautiful long black dress. I wore it on the red carpet. Yes, I did, for a film premiere here in England. And I decided to wear it today. Okay, my darlings, that is what we are working with. Do we love, my darlings? Do we live? Yeah, 53. Not too bad, eh? It is what it is. My next lovely woman that I loved on the red carpet was Ashley Graham. Ashley Graham has just had 8-month-old twins, boys, I think. She's had her babies back to back because I know that she has 3. She was looking gorgeous in Houston. It was a cutout. She was giving me body. She was giving me body, and she was talking about, oh my God, my stretch marks are showing. And she came right out and said, you're coming with me, stretch marks. I loved it. I loved her. I love her figure. I love her shape. She's another beautiful woman. I loved her on the red carpet. Loved the dress. She looked absolutely fantastic. And you know, guys, that's what it is. The confidence is the extra layer of fabulosity that you bring to the carpet that makes other people look and reassess the situation and say, you know what, not so bad. I kind of sort of love it. That was what she was giving me. Lived for it. Latto in Ludo Bacava. It was okay. It was okay. I was hoping that she would give me more. I love Latto. It's the VMAs, I guess. So I guess it's kind of okay. I love the color. The color was striking. Absolutely striking. I just felt that she could have done more with her hair. I felt that she could have worn better shoes. I felt that she could have carried another bag, more makeup. I think she could have given me more. Was it okay? It was okay, but it wasn't drop dead, you know, and that was what I wanted from her. But, you know, I love Latto. Go ahead, Latto, do your thing. Green, yeah. It's a cute look. Taylor Swift in Oscar de la Renta. Jewels, jewelry. That's what the dress looked like. And it was completely backless. I loved it. I want it. I will wear it. It was gorgeous. There was nothing to be said. I loved this look on her. I loved her little sandals. She looked good. I loved that deep red, dark red, blue red lip. Yeah, she looked good. Very, very nice. By Oscar de la Renta, I was kind of sort of impressed. She did well. Then we had, my darlings, Chloe Bailey in Zigman. I loved it. Yeah, why not? She gave us some leg. She gave us a waist. She gave us the bust. She had her hair pulled back. Loved it. Loved it. Chloe Bailey's, you know, doing it. And I am living for her. Yeah. Jack Harlow in Hermes. It was leather. I liked it. It was edgy. He had a vest on which was not leather, but the suit was leather. The shoes were fabulous, and he had gorgeous shades on. Why not? Why not, Jack Harlow? I lived for it. It wasn't bad. And black, my darling, is always a good idea. I liked him with this. Yeah. Then we have that girl Lele, and she wore custom Dior. It's cute on her. I loved the shorts. I loved the boots. I loved the socks. I loved the little jacket and her purse. Did she have Dior around the glasses? No, she had diamond little glasses. I thought it was cute. And I think it's very age appropriate. I think it's super cute and it works for her. Then we had Cami Crawford, and she wore a 480 Hanifa dress. I love Hanifa. I have a pair of Hanifa pants. Gorgeous. I love the brand. Again, she was giving me body. I love the dress on her. I love the pink on her. I love the little belly ring. She looked glowy. She looked moisturized. She looked hydrated. I liked it. We're still in summer. I loved it. I think it looked absolutely gorgeous on her. I would wear this dress 110%. Sabrina Carpenter wore Moschino. It was nice. It was nice. I loved her hair. I loved her makeup. I loved her headband. I like the cutout. She's slim. She got a small bust, so she can have that cutout right there. Really pretty. This is a nice look for her. We're going to jump over to Shenseea in Marc Jacobs. I liked it. I didn't like the shoes. I thought it was nice. It's jean and it's got all of this applique on the chest with a bare belly. I loved her makeup, loved her hair. She looked fabulous. I just didn't care for the heels. I wish she had worn something else for the shoes. But other than that, it was okay. It wasn't that bad at all. Then we had Khalid, and he was wearing Versace. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I love that purple plum, and I love the color, the orange and the pink. There are two shirts that he wore. He looked simple and he looked nice. While I'm on the topic of some guys, there's a particular guy who wore a bad suit, blue. This brother, I don't know his name, I'm sorry, but I couldn't pass up on the suit. I live for it. You guys let me know down in the comments, who is this brother and why don't I know him? He was the best dressed for me when it came for the men at the VMAs this 2022. I lived for it. The shade of blue was gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We had Nicki Minaj. She was a winner also that night. She was wearing Dolce & Gabbana. She looked all the way snatched, and she was also a winner that night. I liked the dress. Very hers, very true to her aesthetic. I thought it was glamorous. That hot pink, I loved it. It was very true to her. And yeah, she can wear that anywhere, to be honest. It's still going to receive fire. Then we had Sophia Carson and Carolina Herrera. You know, J-Lo just got married and she wore something like this for her wedding. She had 3 dresses. I think it was designed by Ralph Lauren. Yeah, and she had some kind of hoodie, and I was like, I live for it. I love it. I love it. It's giving me goth. She had minimal makeup, and I just lived for the drama of this. If I was going to wear this, I would have cut it and worn trousers with it, like skinny leather pants and gloves, and make it a little bit extra. I love this. I'm surprised that Carolina Herrera did this because it's so not her. Well, things do change. Yep. I lived for it. This was gorgeous. Offset in white Louis Vuitton. I wish it was a bit more structured. Talented guy. I like him. This is Cardi's man, yes? Cardi's husband and the father of her children. Very talented. I even think he's good looking. Yeah, I like the hair and everything. I love the look. You know what it is? Maybe it's the trousers. I would have loved the trousers to be a little bit slimmer. He's a slim guy. And that would have given me a little something. I think. You know, clean from the waist up. But this picture here looks like he's a little constipated and he wants to poo. you know, and he's on the red carpet. He's like, let me go already. That's what he's giving me. No. They should have slimmed out the leg, you know. Okay, Chloe Finneman wore custom 3 as 4. I liked it. It's different. It's like a duvet, like a blanket, silver with orange edges. I love the little bag. It's okay, it's different. It's VMAs. She's cute, adorable. What you say? Yeah, I thought it was okay, you know. It looked like a blanket. It looked like a blanket, you know, like a winter blanket, like she's gone camping and she brought the camp with her onto the red carpet. But I kind of sort of like it. I think it's because of the color. And she's young, so I think she can get away with it. You know, 110%. Carlton Hayes. Beautiful. By Dior. I loved the way the suit just came to the side. Beautiful. He looked sharp. He looked good. I liked it. Very different. Sharp. For the VMAs, why not? He knocked it right out of the park. Yep. Yeah. Then we had the Blackpink group. They were in Celine Dion, Chanel, and Yves Saint Laurent. As a group, I loved it. As a group together, it came together. It was super, super cute. Again, black. Black seemed to be the theme for the red carpet. Is it because we're going into fall? Perhaps, I don't know. But I lived for it. I did live for it. The girls look cute. Might I say I would have liked if they just scraped their hair back so that we could see their faces, because they're kind of looking a little shy. But other than that, I loved it. Yeah, it was a good look for them. And then we had Snoop Dogg. Simple, green, slim. Liked it. LL Cool J again in black. Looking good. This VMAs was kind of fabulous in the sense that I didn't see anything that was too like, oh no, I don't like it. Majority of the celebrities came to slay. And finally, darlings, who do we have? Little Nas X. And he wore Harris Reed and Yves Saint Laurent. The second I saw this, it reminded me of what the fabulous Iman wore to the Met Gala. Now guys, I have to pause for 1 minute. You know, I am human, I make mistakes. I did the review for the Met Gala last year and I forgot to add Iman. She was on my list. And what happened was, I got a call from Adrian's nursery and I had to quicken up and go. So what I did, and I don't do it anymore, I had them where I just flip all of the looks. When they told me that Adrian wasn't feeling well, I wrapped it up, assuming that I had been done. And I forgot Iman, because a lot of you said, Fumi, but what about Iman? Wait, 1 minute. Don't tell me that you didn't review Iman. I forgot to review Iman. So this comes really special to my heart. You know, when your heart is sincere, it's as if God said, I'll give you a second chance and I'll give it to you through little Nas X, because he wore literally the same thing what Iman wore. And it is fabulous. Fabulosity. Iman is a true gem. I met her once on the Upper West Side in Manhattan, and she's so beautiful in real life. Unbelievable. That neck, gorgeous. Queen, class act. And we talked for a little bit because, you know, we're Africans. Iman knocked it out. Then for the Met Gala, fabulous. Little Nas did it here again. Fabulous. I love his confidence, and I think in a way he's very tuned in to who he is, to his talent, to the gift, to the person that he is. He will never be the regular guy. He will always be different, and he dresses as such. And for me, this was outstanding. Completely outstanding. I loved it. I want that headpiece like no man's business. And that was it, my darlings. Those were the looks that I saw for the VMAs 2022. You let me know if I've forgotten anybody, and I'm going to be on the lookout. But please tell me about this guy that wore this fabulous blue suit. And you let me know also the ones that you loved. Okay, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and leave all of your comments below. I will see you tomorrow. I film from now on. I film every day from Sunday to Thursday. Friday and Saturday, I will always have shorts for you. Short videos, short fashion, short makeup. But no videos on Friday or Saturday. I film 5 days from Sunday all the way to Thursday. And I have my weekend, you know, with the family, Adrian, Ula, and try to get stuff from the dry cleaners and all of that. You know, but we are here. We're kind of here every day because I can see that you guys are living for it. And I am here to what? To oblige. All of my love, darlings. Thank you so very much. I enjoyed getting dressed today. Yeah. I'll see you soon. Mwah. Love, love.